How can we get the better fixed removable full mouth bridge? That's a very interesting topic today. Stay tuned. Patient originally wear this prosthetic
because the patient hate this. It's a great shape, but it hate this acrylic. It's too thick, the mesh.
So we made this great abutment design. First, we put the UCLA abutment, which is gold abutment. So order the 1 inch abutment, probably $230 per unit. All right. And then we wax it and then mill together, parallelly milled. So it's fit perfectly, but it's not loose. It's really good, the fitting.
We made 4 conus type friction fit angle corrected abutments. It's going to go in for the patient. It's good and sturdy like a regular conus attachment. You can't pull it off easily. So patient can have the cleansability or health issues. They clean the tissue and clean the abutments.
And then we made the top of that to wax up and then opaque. And then we finished the porcelain work. Now, this is another point is here, we made the jigs, verification jigs, really important. So doctor have to put we put the number, each number, and then we put down the number, the back side, 29, so they have to fit it first all the way. It's very imperative to check before they do. Otherwise, it's rotating, and they will not going to fit my final bridge. You know, I don't know how many people can make like this because there's a lot of things we have to involve it. Number one, mechanism. Mechanically, it's perfectly done, but we need a certain undercut. You know, as you know, I'm a little bit crazy, so we spend more time. So make the great aesthetics and the final ceramic for you. Okay. There's another option today. Thanks for watching. So next time I'll bring another great video. Don't forget to like it. Don't forget to subscribe it. Appreciate you guys' help. Thank you very much.